Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. For today, I have a review slash unboxing for you guys on the new Kybrid S2 Hybrid, also known as the Kybrid S2s. For me, this is a shoe I've been very excited for this year. In my opinion, pictures and videos online don't do justice for them. These are a lot better in hand. As you can tell, they are a Nike basketball shoe, a newer one. I haven't really purchased a lot of newer Nike basketball recently, just because retail prices have gone really high and they're not an overall good investment for most pairs. So it's better off to wait until they do go on sale later down the line. For me, I'm really into the older Nike basketball, like the LeBrons. 7 through 12, I'd say, are probably the best ones. And then I'd kind of do KDs. I like the 4s through 7s too. Those are pretty good, but I don't know. I'm just into the older Nike basketball pairs, but some of the newer ones are really cool. Some of the Pro-Tro Kobe's and Pro-Tro LeBrons that they're coming out with are really awesome. And I'm very excited for the South Beach 8s that are supposedly coming out next year. Let's hope they do. Just because of the age of the older pair, I am worried about buying them and not being able to wear them because of the Air Max bubble popping. But for these, I'm going to show you guys an overall look at the shoe, what I think of it, is it a good purchase, and yeah, let's just get into it. So to start it off, I'll show you guys the box. They do come in a Nike Kybrid 5 box, as you can tell, with the really cool, just overall crazy colored box. It's definitely one of my favorite boxes that Nike's came out with in a long time. So I'm going to show you guys the size tag, just so you can get a reference of what it looks like. I did get these in a size 14 because I do plan on hooping in these. So I usually go 13 to 14 in hoop shoes, preferably a 14, just because I like the extra bit of room so my feet can kind of slide around a little bit. I don't like them too tight. That's just my preference. It all depends on the shoe. But for these, I just want to size up just to be safe. These did sell out pretty fast, I believe, on Nike. I think on sneakers they sold out in most of the bigger sizes, which happens with most Nike basketball shoes because a lot of hoopers like them. It's not like a retro where a money size is like in 7.5 to 9.5. Money sizes for Nike basketball are definitely the 11, 11.5, all the way up to a 13, 14, still regular size. So let's get into the shoes and I'll show you guys the first look. And boom, here are the shoes. These are very wild and crazy. It's a very hard shoe to wear, but I think as a hooper, we can all appreciate this overall shoe. As you can see, they are the Kybrid Hybrid S2 Best Of, or the What Does. I know they came out with an all black What The pair, which are really cool. I just don't want to pay retail for those. I think those are gonna eventually go on sale, and I'll definitely pick up a pair when they do. But these just remind me more of like a What The, just one of those shoes. Let me show you a What The I currently own. And they are the What The LeBrons. As you can tell, just crazy colors, all the different designs. You got everything from Galaxy, graffiti, 3M, atomic orange, just a lot of like the South Beach. Got the line and the lace locks. What Does are definitely one of my favorite Nike basketball shoes that Nike ever does. They haven't really done it a lot recently. Seeing these, I hope that maybe they come out with more in the future. So let's get more in depth with the shoe. I'll show you the side I don't like as much. As you can see, this is a combination of the 4, 5, and 6, I believe. And so you have the 5 little lace cover, you have the 4 bottom, and you have the 6 back. On this side, you have this Galaxy green and black, which is pretty cool. You have this metallic dark blue lace shield. And then on the tongue, you have just a gold and red embroidery. On the outside, you have the SpongeBob house and window as the swoosh, which is one of my favorite parts. On the back, you have the translucent cheetah print, which isn't really my favorite, but as a What The shoe, there's always those parts you probably don't like too much, and that's just one of them for me. But I do think it's cool how the colors change throughout it. On the inside, you have a bunch of swooshes that are different sizes and colors on a white background, which is also really cool. And then my favorite part of this is the card inside. I'm not really sure if you guys can see that, but they're playing cards with Kyrie Irving on them, which I think is definitely the coolest part of this shoe besides the SpongeBob part. So this is my not his favorite side, so let's get into the best side. Here we are. These are just more crazy and more creative and different. So on the main base, you have the galaxy print, which is very cool and very different. And then the 5 lace cover is I believe the Chinese New Year. I think it's from the Chinese New Year Kyrie 5s that came out. Very awesome shoe. The tongue is the SpongeBob. Also, as you get into the shoe, you have the taco / camo design on the side right here with the SpongeBob swoosh as well. So the outside of these are definitely amazing. The back tab again is the Kyrie 6, but it has the Nike in the translucent part in different colors, and I believe that is the SpongeBob font as well. And then as you go into the inside, you have the swoosh, which is the drip one. I believe that is from the Halloween one, the Halloween 4s that came out a couple years back. And then you also have the confetti 4, I believe, design. This was a collab. I think it was a purple and green or purple and yellow mismatched pair. I'm colorblind, so don't quote me on the colors. I believe those are them though. With just a bunch of words and different styles and colors on here. And I think the inside of this shoe is amazing overall. And then probably my most favorite part of this whole shoe is the Nike SB Lobster liner in the red colorway. For me, the Lobster SBs are a grail. The yellow, the red, the blue, and the purple. My favorite one is the purple Lobsters, just because my favorite color is purple. Obviously, if I could own the yellow Lobsters, I would love that, but they are very expensive. Those will forever be a grail shoe, probably, sadly. But let's be real, that's probably what it is. Overall, these shoes are amazing and just crazy and out there. And if you're a hooper and you love shoes, this is definitely a shoe for you. You're gonna catch eyes, break necks, and just be the flyest one out there on the court. The only thing I really don't like about these shoes is that the bottoms are very plain. I wish they would have kind of done something crazy on the bottoms, like most what does, or best ofs, like they did previously with Nike basketball shoes. But besides that, I think it's an amazing shoe, and hopefully you guys can pick them up. I know right now a lot of sizes are around retail or a little bit over because they did sell out. I believe in my size they're at about 180, so not too much over retail, considering retail's 147 something after tax. These are a great shoe, and I hope you guys do pick them up if you do like them. They're one of my favorite shoes of this year from the Nike basketball line. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this helped you guys kind of learn and figure out if you do plan on copying a pair of these. For me, these were a must-have. I got them on release off of Nike sneakers, and I'm very happy with them. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Peace.